welcome to our colourful adventure. Today, we're going on a special picnic, but not just any picnic, a colour picnic. Are you ready to join me? Let's unpack the picnic basket together and discover a rainbow of delicious foods waiting for us. First up, we have a banana. Bananas are yellow, such a bright and cheerful colour. Yellow! Now let's take a look at these purple grapes. Purple is such a beautiful colour. Purple! Ah, the green apple. Green is the colour of nature. Green! And here we have a red strawberry. Do you like red? Red! Let's not forget the oranges. Orange is such a vibrant colour. Orange! Last but not least, we have blue blueberries. Blue is a great colour. Do you like blue? Blue! Look at all the colours. Now that we've unpacked our colourful picnic, it's time to make a rainbow sandwich. We'll need some yellow cheese, some tasty green lettuce, some juicy red tomatoes. Last but not least, some orange carrot slices. Yummy! What a delicious sandwich and what a colourful picnic! Let's enjoy our rainbow feast. Thanks for joining us on our colourful picnic adventure. Subscribe to the channel and see you next time.